You said I
Movie
went to
yesterday.
movie yesterday night. Okay,
Yes.
that is what you said. Okay, now
Yes.
just wanted to know, can you actually recognize what part is that in the sentence? For example, what is I in the sentence?
I means it's a who the person. It's
Okay, what is went?
went means it's a verb. Yeah, it's already done. The thing already done.
What is movie?
Movie means the exact what we did yesterday. The exact thing.
Yesterday?
Yesterday means where we when
Okay,
the because of movie. Yeah,
all right. Now, just wanted to ask you, Nisha, do you have any idea as to, did you actually study anything as name of parts of speech in English?
name
Did
of
you ever know there is something known as parts of English? Okay, let me write it for you. That's parts of English, or parts of speech. I'm so sorry. You can say SPEECH. I'm so sorry for the typing error. Yes.
no, that's okay.
So parts of speech. This is something that you use in the spoken language or English.
No, I didn't study that one.
Okay. There is a grammar topic. This is particularly taken up in the schools nowadays from the age when the child is actually, 4 or 5. So that when you actually study these things, you will never face problems while speaking and writing. Okay. Now,
Okay.
there is something as nouns. Have you heard about this?
Yeah. Yes.
There's something as a pronoun. Have you heard about this?
Yes.
Okay. Then you have verbs that you mentioned, right?
Yes.
Then you have an adverb, something known as adverb. Have you heard this?
Yeah. Yes, I heard that one.
Okay. Now, whatever I am mentioning here, okay? One second. Can you just give me 1 second?
Yeah.
Okay, hold
Sure.
on. Hold on.
Sure.
Okay, are you able to see the are you
Screen. Yes. Yes, Minata. Yeah.
the screen? Yes, my
Yes.
screen. I mean. Do you see that?
Yes. Yes.
I'll start typing on it. Okay. Do you see that now?
Yes.
You see that? Okay. We have the
Yes.
noun. We have the pronoun. Okay. Now, whatever I'm typing, you will count that for me. Okay. Noun, pronoun.
Okay.
Then you have the verb. You have the adverb. Adjectives. Have you heard about adjectives?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, you have. Now, have you heard about something known as conjunctions? Then you have interjections. Then you have the last one as prepositions. Have you heard about this?
Yeah, but I don't know exactly what that one, but I heard the
No
word.
problems. Even if you don't
Okay.
know it, I will tell you each and everything. I'm just making the
Okay.
language simpler for you. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Now, have you heard about all these names some or the other time in your school? You have.
Yes.
right? So parts of speech in the sense, do you understand what is exactly speech?
Yeah, speech means the way of talking.
The way of talking or whatever sound that comes out of your mouth in the form of words and sentences, that is speech. That forms your speech. Okay?
Okay.
Now, if I tell you that there are 8 parts that I have mentioned, did you count that?
Yes.
Are they 8?
Eight. Yeah.
So they are 8 parts. Now the thing is, when you categorize your sentence, the sentence that you gave me, okay, what was the sentence?
I went movie yesterday night.
I went movie yesterday night. I know the sentence has some error. I'll tell you later on, okay? But first we will categorize this into all these 8 parts, okay? I is what? Is a pronoun, okay?
Okay.
Went is what? It's a verb.
Verb.
Movie is what? It's a noun. Yesterday is an adverb and night is again a noun. Did you get the categorization?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the entire sentence or the n number of sentences that you speak is the combination of all the 8 parts.
Okay.
Any sentence, any simple or complex or anything that you speak, it should have or must have some of these parts, which is the combination of all the parts of speech, plus your tenses to tell the other person. Do you know why tenses are used? What is the use of the tenses? What is the use of the tense?
Yeah. Tenses used to what we are exactly the main
See,
thing what we
the
have to
tense,
exactly know.
you said that there are 3 tenses, like you have the past tense, present tense, and future tense, right?
Yes.
Right. So when you say there are 3 tenses, okay, I just want to ask you, why do you put exact, what is the use of tenses in the sentence?
Because because the sentence is already done, the thing already done, or it's running, or in
So,
the future we have to to mention
right.
that one.
So what is the exact answer? The exact answer will be that the person you are speaking to, okay, the person you are speaking to should understand whether you are talking in present tense, past tense, or future tense. Am I correct?
Yes.
You want the other person to understand that it is whether you're talking in past, present, or future, right? Is that correct?
Yes, it's correct.
Okay. Am I clear to till now what I'm saying, or do you have any doubts on this?
No, I'm clear in that one.
Okay. So the tense is another topic in grammar. Okay. That tells the other person who we are talking with about the tenses we are speaking in. Okay. Now,
Okay.
parts of speech is what? It is a combination of these words that make your sentences. Fine?
Yes.
Now, there is something that everyone has to follow, which is sentence structure. Do you know what is a sentence structure?
Yeah, which one will come first and which one will come?
First, yes. So, what is the thing that comes first? With what you start your sentence with?
Yeah,
Do
we
you
have
have
to.
any idea? What part of speech comes the first?
Yeah, the pronoun will comes the first.
Are you sure? Okay, I write pronoun. What is the second thing?
The verb.
Um, okay, I write the verb. Then, what else? What else?
Yeah.
If you have pronoun, you have verb, then what is the third thing that comes in a sentence?
Noun.
Okay. Then you have the noun. One second. Yeah. Then you have the noun. Okay. Then what's the other thing? What is the other thing?
No, I don't know.
You have the noun, you have the verb, you have the pronoun. What else is missing?
That's the adverb, adjectives.
Adverb, adjective. But is that what is a sentence? Is that what you call a sentence?
Yeah.
Okay, now tell me, this is the sentence structure that you're giving me. Can you frame any sentence according to this? Tell me. You've given me the sentence structure. Now frame the sentences for me according to this sentence structure.
Pronoun means it's mentioned who the person, right?
Okay. Okay, I'll give you something very easier. I'll give you something very easy. Okay, let's make this interesting and easier for you to speak every sentence. Okay. Do you see what I've written?
Yeah. Noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun.
Okay. Noun or pronoun is something that comes first in the sentence. Always.
Okay.
Okay. Second thing is your tense, which you call it as helping verb. Okay.
Okay.
Good to go. Third thing is the main verb, which is a part of speech. Okay.
Okay.
What is the fourth thing? The preposition.
Preposition.
The fourth thing is the preposition. The fourth thing is the preposition.
Preposition.
Or the adjective.
I think
Or
the
the adjective.
preposition.
Or the adverb. Am I clear?
Yeah, okay.
Fine? Okay. Now can you frame sentences? Can you frame sentences according to this particular sentence structure?
Okay.
Can you frame it?
Yeah, she.
Okay. I'll tell you one more thing to make it very easier, for, to make it very easy. Can you tell me what are the, what are the helping verbs that are used in the present tense? What are the helping verbs for present tense?
Yeah, helping verbs
Something as
for present
is,
tense
am,
is,
are, has and have.
have.
Okay. Right now what I'm doing with you is just an overview of the language to make it easier for you to understand. Okay. We are not going into depth.
Okay.
So present tense you use these kind of things. What is the past tense helping verb?
Where.
That is were. You say it as were. What is it?
Were.
Were. Okay.
Was.
Then you have was. You have had.
Had.
Right? That is it. And what about the future tense?
Will and shall.
Perfect. Will and shall.
Shall.
I will tell you each and every usage. There is one more thing that we forgot. Okay, the present tense also has do and does. I will tell you what is the usage and how you can use it in the sentence. Okay, and the past tense has did. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Now, moving on to when you say present tense, can you frame the sentence according to what I have given you? this whatever sentence structure that I have given you, you can add preposition, you can add conjunction, or you can add adverbs or adjectives. Okay?
Yeah. I am
Is that fine?
working. Yes.
Yes. Now tell me.
Yeah. Yeah. I am working.
Am is a tense, okay? Helping verb. Working is a verb. I
Verb.
am working.
Yeah. I am working in
Okay?
AMN Healthcare. Yeah. Just one company.
Sorry?
AMN Healthcare. AMN Healthcare.
A
MN Healthcare.
healthcare. Awesome. You framed the correct sentence. Okay?
Okay.
There is not even a single mistake in the sentence that you have framed. Do you want to try some more?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. Next one is she has two children.
She has
Two children's. Two childs.
children's
Two
will
child.
is
Two
a,
child.
I'll tell you something. Children is a plural form. You will not add, you will never add s to it.
Okay.
Okay? Child is
Okay.
one, children are many.
Okay.
Okay? So she has two children, that means plural.
Okay.
So she will be a
Okay. She
pronoun.
has two children.
Has will tell you that yes, she has it. She has two children now. Okay, so that's a tense. Okay, now two children. Two is what? The number. So what? One second. See, the. I'm so sorry. What is two exactly?
The number. The.
The number, but that comes in.
Excuse me.
A noun.
No.
Okay,
But
two
before
children.
that, yeah.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. Before that, I have to know the exactly what the noun, pronoun, and
I
verb
know. I know.
conjunctions. Yeah.
Yes, I will tell you each and everything. I will tell you
Okay.
what a noun is, what are the types of noun. I will tell you what are interjections, prepositions, everything.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
this is something that we have, we call it a plan of the day or the plan for week. Okay? Now, how I work with every student is when the student takes classes, okay? I personally give him or her a plan in the entire week. For example, the first day we are going to do something as parts of speech. Okay. Second day we are going to do something as the tenses. The third thing will be the usage of a, an, and the in the sentences. Okay. Then simultaneously, what we are going to do is we will also learn how to pronounce certain words. Okay?
Okay.
Like
Okay.
the word that you pronounced as W-E-R-E. What is it?
Where?
It is were.
Where? Okay.
Okay? There will be certain words I know you will definitely you might be facing problems with. So what we are going to do is we will also see to it that you are pronouncing the words correctly.
Okay.
Okay? So parts of speech is, the first week plan that we have to do it. We have to know this in detail. Okay?
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
tell me what are nouns exactly?
Yeah. He or she.
Do you think that's a noun?
Yes.
Okay, your name is Nisha. Where should I put Nisha into? What part of speech is Nisha?
Yeah. Yeah. It's a
It's a,
noun or pronoun in that one.
is it a pronoun or is it a noun?
Is it an?
See, because noun is something different. Pronoun is something different. So where should I put your name? Under noun or pronoun? Tell me.
Under the pronoun.
Okay. You said under pronoun. Now, if I say Nisha is good in English, and if I say she is good in English, so where should I put she? And where should I actually put Nisha as a name? There are two different words. I am using Nisha as your name, and in the second sentence I am using she as, you know, something that denotes your name, that I'm using in place of your name, right? So what part of speech it is?
It is pronoun part of the speech.
Okay, so there is something that you need to get clear about, clear understanding about, is the noun or the pronoun. What is noun exactly is when you take any person's name, any place name, anything's name, okay, they come under nouns.
Okay.
For example, your name, my name, any person, or maybe your husband's name or your child's name or anyone.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Any
So they
person
come
name, any
under
place.
nouns.
Okay. Noun.
Okay? Now, even if it is a country's name, for example, the United States of America, the USA, or maybe United Kingdom, or maybe the Czech Republic, they are all the names for the places. Okay?
Okay.
So, what are they known as?
Nouns.
Perfect. So you have the names for people, you have the names for things, you have the names for countries, cities, everything, every other name forms a noun.
Noun.
Are you clear on this?
Yes.
The second thing is, when you say, something has a pronoun. What is a pronoun? It is something that you use in place of noun. For example, if I'm actually taking your name in spoken English, tell me how do you feel? Okay, I'll give you an interesting thing. I'm saying some sentences. You will have to tell me how exactly you feel about this. Okay.
Okay.
For example, I'm taking your name, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Nisha lives in United States. Nisha works for AMN Healthcare. Nisha is married. Nisha is from India. So how are you feeling?
Yeah, you're talking about me.
So that means I'm taking your name again and again, which is bad. It's a repetition.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't you feel that?
Yes.
I'm continuously saying Nisha, 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 Nisha. I mean, how many times should I say Nisha?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yes.
So instead of that, what we do is, to avoid repetition in these sentences, we actually make use of pronouns, which is, for a girl's name you use she, and for a boy's name you use he. Maybe you use it, you use this, that, these, those. They are all pronouns.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it. Yes.
That's the simple thing. So every noun comes under noun. Every name comes under noun. Every word that is used in place of noun, like he, she, it, they, them, my, me, we, they are all, you, yours, they are all pronoun. Okay?
Okay.
Perfect?
Perfect. Yeah.
The third thing that we have in parts of speech is the verb. What is a verb?
Yeah. Verb is
Any action that you do. So I think there would be thousands of actions that you make in a day that you actually perform in a day. Am I right? For example, you sleep, you eat,
Yes.
you drink, you run, you hit, you beat. So there can be thousands of actions, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so all the actions, what are they?
Verb.
They are verbs. Yeah. Is that right?
Yes.
Now, are you clear about nouns, pronouns, verbs?
Yes, yes, I cleared that. I cleared it.
Perfect. What are adverbs? And what are adjectives? Do you know what are adverbs and adjectives?
Yeah,
So,
if you the
the
continuous
idea,
word,
sorry?
yeah, if we the verb is continuing, that means now mm, it's a present thing, means we are using the adjectives.
Okay. Okay, no problems. No problems even if you don't know. Adverbs and adjectives. I will give you a comparison to make things clear for you. Okay. What are
Okay.
adjectives? Now, are you clear about what are nouns and pronouns?
Yeah, yes, I cleared.
Okay. Any quality that you give or add to a noun or a pronoun is an adjective. Any quality. What are qualities? Have you heard about some of the easy qualities, as people say good, bad, fair, average, beautiful, handsome? Have you heard about this?
Yeah, yes.
You have heard, right? People saying you're beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective because that is the quality that they are giving it to you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Any noun or pronoun in the sentence, if there is a quality added to it, okay? For example, if I say, Nisha, you're awesome. Okay? What is awesome?
Yeah, it's a
It's
adjective.
an adjective because that is a quality that I'm giving it to you.
Mm-hmm.
Did you get it?
Yes, I get it. Yeah, I got it.
Are you clear about this now?
Yes.
Okay. So whenever you're making a sentence with the qualities that you're adding to some person, place, or a thing, that will form your adjective.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, there is one more thing. What is an adverb? The difference between an adjective and an adverb is any quality that you add to noun or pronoun becomes your adjective, and any
Mm-hmm.
quality that you give to your verbs in the sentence, they become your adverbs. I'll give you an example. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The example says, let me write it. She, hold on. I'll just increase the font. She runs fast. Okay, do you see the sentence?
Mm-hmm.
She runs fast. I could have ended the sentence on run or runs. Okay? But
Mm-hmm.
if I say she runs fast, what is the quality that I'm giving?
Here the fast is
Fast is the
mentioning that
quality for
run.
run. How does she
Mm-hmm.
run? Fast.
Fast. Okay.
I'm not saying that she is fast. Did I say that she is fast?
No, she runs fast.
She runs fast. Runs is what? It's a verb. And any quality
Verb.
that you're adding to the verb becomes your adverb.
Okay.
Perfect?
No, yeah, perfect.
So are things very easy when it comes to English?
Yes.
Okay? If you have any doubts, stop me right there. I will not move ahead till the time you have understood each and everything.
Okay. Okay, sure.
Okay? Now, there is something known as prepositions. Now, preposition is something that we have a separate class on preposition. Okay?
Okay.
Why?
Okay.
I'll tell you that. Because the preposition forms a major part of your sentences. Okay? There are approximately 50 prepositions that you have to understand. For example, I'll give you an example and I'll tell you why I'm not starting prepositions with you today. Okay? Do
Okay.
you know what is the difference between, I'm writing it on board, hold on. Difference between in and into. What is the difference? Have you heard these two words?
Yes.
So what is the difference?
Here I am in means I'm ready to come. Yeah, I will come in. I'm
Okay?
in. Into
Okay?
means uh, into.
They both are the parts of, a preposition. However, the usage of both the words, they are different. They're completely different. Okay? Both are
Okay.
prepositions. Now, in is what? I'll tell you. Something which is inside and does not have any movement. You understand what is movement? Moving from one place to the other. Okay? So if at all something is inside but that is not in movement, I'll tell you exactly how. When you keep things in your cupboard, you understand what is a cupboard or a drawer?
Yes. Yes.
So when you keep things, for example, a pen, laptop or clothes in your cupboard or a drawer, do you think when you keep it and you close it, things inside the cupboard or the drawer, they start moving from one place to the
No.
other?
No.
Does it happen with you? I'm sure it
No.
doesn't happen with me.
No. No, it doesn't happen.
It does not, right? It is there where you keep it, right? So when things are inside and they're not in movement, you use in. For example, I'm sitting in my room. Okay? I'm sitting in my room. That means I'm not moving in my room. I'm just sitting inside. I have kept my laptop in the drawer. Okay? Because my laptop will be there. It will not move. Okay? Now, when you say into means things are, it's a combination of two prepositions which is in and to. Okay? In means something which is inside. Okay? And to actually shows the direction.
Yes.
To shows the direction. Have you heard people saying I am going to United States?
True. Yes. Yes.
Because to is what? It is showing the direction to where I'm going. Okay? So this word is a combination of two prepositions. One is in and the other one is to. Okay? In shows something which is inside and to shows coming, the movement which is coming inside, something which is going inside or coming inside. For example, I am coming into the room or I came into the room. Because the one thing that I did was coming inside. And there was a movement of coming from outside to inside. Am I correct?
Yes.
So I am coming into the room. You can say I threw, or maybe you can say the fish jumped into the water. Okay? The fish jumped into the water. That means from the seashore, the fish actually went inside the water, and two is, it is showing the direction from the land to the water.
Water. Okay.
Are you clear about this?
Yes.
Perfect. So this is how we have to do approximately 50 prepositions that will help you to frame your sentences in a correct form. And that is one of the reasons I completely take one class for everyone so that we can do the prepositions in detail.
Okay.
Okay? That is one part of speech that I'm not starting with you today. Maybe we'll start from tomorrow or maybe whenever we have the next class. Okay? Then we have two more parts of speech, which is your conjunctions and interjections.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I ask you something. What if you give me an injection, or you give some other person you pinch some other person? What will be the reaction of that person? Will
Yeah,
that
it's
person tell you,
painful.
inject me some more injections, or will that person say something?
Yeah, no, it's pain for me, so stop it.
Sorry?
Yeah, it's pain for me, so don't do that again.
So the immediate reaction while
Action.
you pinch or give the injection is what? Ouch!
Yes.
Is that the reaction?
Yes.
Before saying anything, the person will say ouch. So anything that you say out of surprise or shock. Have you seen people saying, oh my God?
Mm-hmm.
Most of the
Yes.
time when the news is shocking or surprising, they say, oh my God. Have you heard that?
Yes, I heard that one.
So any word that you're saying out of shock and surprises, like ouch, oh my God, wow, they are all interjections.
Okay.
Okay? Am I clear with it?
Yeah, yes.
Am I clear with it?
Yes, yes.
Do you have any questions for me?
No questions right now, no.
Okay. No questions?
No.
Perfect. Now, moving on to the conjunctions. What do you think is a conjunction?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think is a conjunction?
Mm.
Okay, no problems. Let's make it easier. Conjunctions are when you actually um, connect these sentences or the words. Now, do you know which are the words that are used as a connector, or that might be used as a connector in the sentence, or maybe a word? Do you know that?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Are you aware of the words that connect? Okay, let me give you an example.
Mm-hmm.
Have you heard about the word as and?
Yes.
Okay, that's a connector because that
It will
joins
connect
your
the two.
sentences or the
Mm-hmm.
words. Have you heard about but?
Yes.
You have, right?
Mm-hmm.
Have you heard about something as or?
Or, yes. Or.
Okay. So, but and or. They are conjunctions. Have you heard something about however?
However, yeah.
Because, since, for, these are all prepositions. These are all conjunctions.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? And they actually go ahead and connect the two different sentences.
Mm-hmm.
Are you clear on it?
Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am.
Any problems with this?
No.
Okay. So, conjunctions are basically the words as, I'm writing it for you,
Mm-hmm.
and, or, but, however, moreover,
Excuse me.
then probably you might have because, since, for, as. Okay, can you give me, I'll tell you how we go about learning conjunctions. Can you give me any sentence that where you can use and?
Yeah.
What's the sentence?
Yeah, I like fruits and vegetables.
Perfect. I like fruits and vegetables, where I is your pronoun, like is your verb, fruits is what? Your noun. Vegetable is also a noun, and is a conjunction.
Conjunctions.
Perfect. You followed the sentence structure, you know what part of speech you have used, and there you form a sentence.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Can you give me
Yeah,
one
can you?
sentence with because?
Yeah, yeah. Can you explain one more time? I like fruits and vegetables. So here, I is a
I is a pronoun.
pronoun. Like is a verb.
Like is what? You are liking something? That means you're doing an action?
Yeah, so it is verb.
It's a verb.
So fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables is an
It's a noun. Fruits is a
noun.
noun, vegetable is a noun, and is a conjunction.
Conjunction. Okay. Here,
Perfect?
fruits and vegetables is a name, so that's why we are telling noun.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I'll tell you something interesting, okay? Um,
Mm-hmm.
Fruits and vegetables, they are common nouns. You know what is a common noun?
Mm-hmm.
It is a category of noun, okay? For example, I am not taking a particular name of a fruit and a vegetable. Did you tell me I like papaya? Or did you tell me I like
No,
apple? No. You
no.
said I like fruits. That means you like all the fruits or you like
Mm-hmm.
all the vegetables, right? So they are the common
Mm-hmm.
names for all the fruits. If you're taking a particular fruit, like for example, I say I love apples or I like apples. If I say apple, apple is also a noun. But the category is a different category, which is a proper category, proper noun. If you're taking particular names, okay,
Mm-hmm.
so they form a category of proper noun. Okay, if you're taking a common name for that particular thing, it forms a common noun. Okay,
Okay, okay.
did you get it now? For
Yeah,
example,
yes, I
Nisha
got.
is what? Nisha is your particular name,
Yeah, it's a particular name, so it is noun.
right? So that's a proper noun. Okay, the category is
Mm-hmm.
proper. It's a noun, but that's a proper noun. Okay, now
Mm-hmm.
if I say girl, girls are many, women are many, right? I mean, I have not taken a
Yes,
particular name. So women, girl, they are all common nouns.
common
They
nouns.
fall
Okay,
under the category of common.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
I hope today's class, I am clear on a lot of topics.
Yes.
Do you have any more doubts on parts of speech? I will do each and every. Okay, we forgot the because one. Can you give me
Mm-hmm.
because the sentence with because?
Yeah. Mm. Yeah, the same sentence. I like fruits because it is healthy. Health.
I eat fruits or I make. You cannot make. You can grow fruits. Do you cook food? Fruits?
No, no.
So make is cooking. Like you cook.
Mm-hmm.
So I eat fruits because they are healthy.
Uh-huh.
Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So you eat fruits because they are healthy. Now I'll give you one more thing to try. Okay, because
Mm-hmm.
they are of similar meanings. You know the word I've written just beside the word because. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
What is the next word that I've written just beside the because?
Since.
Perfect. The same sentence that you gave me, can you add since instead of because?
Yeah, I eat fruits since they are healthy.
Perfect. So instead of because, the other word that people use is since, which has the similar meaning as because. Wherever, if you think you want to use because, try using since. It's an experiment. I mean, but definitely you are in the habit of using the same words again and again, and this will actually, help you to enhance your skills in speaking and writing. For example, if you
Okay.
want to tell your boss or somebody at, at your place that yesterday I wasn't able to come to the hospital, or maybe, I wasn't able to come to the office, because, or maybe since I was not well. You can use because I was not well, or maybe since I was not, I was not feeling good, or you can say, as I was not feeling good, which has the similar meaning, same meaning.
Mm-hmm.
Did you get it?
Yes, so here also can I use the as word? I eat fruits as they are healthy.
Perfect. Awesome. Yes,
Okay.
you can. This is the way we actually go about the training. We allow people to form a lot of sentences uh,
Uh-huh.
that helps a person to speak the same sentence with a lot of other, usage of words, which
Okay.
actually creates a huge vocabulary with, it maybe by the time you end the classes, you will have a lot of words in store.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
perfect.
Yeah, perfect.
So, any doubts before I go about, um, asking you certain things? Do you have any doubts, or maybe do you want any of the things you want me to discuss? Definitely, I'm going to discuss with you the tenses in detail, and I will tell you where to use has, have. I will tell you where to use did, do, does, everything. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
in detail.
Okay.
However, I just want you to tell me, what are the things that you expect from me? What are the things that you expect from me? What other trainings would you like me to take up with you? What exactly do you want me to train you on, apart from all what I'm training you on?
Okay.
Are there any additional things or anything that you would like me, you would like to advise me on, or we should take in the classes, or a lot of speaking that we are going to do in the next few classes?
Okay.
We are going to do everything, okay? But
Mm-hmm.
I just want you to tell me, do you want something, are you expecting something more from me? Or whatever we are doing is just perfect?
Yeah, whatever you're doing is perfect. So in addition, if I need something means I will let you know.
Okay, and I want you, since let me tell you, I've been training the people there in United States for colleges and schools. So I just wanted to tell you that they are a lot more into speaking in United States. What they normally do is they speak a lot. Have you heard them?
Yes.
They speak a lot. So I want you, if you want, if you think that you want to speak perfectly, I want you to, take up topics on a daily basis.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever we are doing, I want you to speak
that's fine.
All right. So we'll meet in the next class and we'll continue with the prepositions.
Okay, okay, sure.
Perfect?
Okay, yeah, perfect, yeah.
All right. So I take your
Okay.
leave and
Okay.
we'll see you in the next class. Okay?
Okay, okay, sure.
You have a
Next
great
class is
day.
tomorrow morning, right? Tomorrow
Yes,
afternoon.
you can fix up the next class with the organizer and or you can let
Okay.
me know anytime.
Okay,
Okay?
sure. Okay, okay. Okay.
You have a great day ahead. Take care.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank
Bye-bye.
you. Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.